G'day and welcome to Attaching Bobbin Lace to Felt with Jenny Brandis. Today I will be putting together the green hanging basket. It is one of the bonus patterns from the September issue of the subscription-based Pattern a Month series number 7. The hanging basket is comprised of 3 pieces: the basket panel, base and handle. Each of these will be lined with felt. I am using some relatively thick craft felt to support the lace in its use. I am using the Prickings as my templates in this video, although there are now templates in the PDF file. I trimmed the prickings along the head side row of dots, down the corner row and along the outside foot side line. I put notches at the foot side where the corner row goes to help with lining up the corner score lines in the felt. Here is one I did earlier. I don't recommend marking the felt with pencil like I did, as it may show later. Add a score line at each corner by laying a ruler from the head side corner to the foot side mark, then running a sharp blade along the line. Making sure not to cut all the way through the felt, or you will need to stitch it up. The scoring makes the corner fold lines nice and sharp. That goes behind the lace, score side up. A long thin piece for the handle that will be stitched to the inside from one side to the other. Next we cut out the base. Again I am using the pricking, but there is a template in the PDF. I have left a slight overhang along the corner line, as that will allow me to hide the leftover bobbin threads when I do the join. Thread a length of the lace thread onto a sewing needle. Over the thread, catch the felt and slide about 2 millimeters or approximately 1/16 of an inch before coming up through the lace. Over a thread, catch the felt and come up near another thread. Over the thread, catch the felt and come up near another thread. Adjust the lace on the thread as you continue to work, lining up the corners. Remember to sew this with the scored side up, as that's the way you are going to want to fold it. Also make sure that your score line is lined up with the corner row of hole stitch there, so that it will cover it and the corners look just so. You may have to adjust the lace on the felt as you go to make this happen. Looking at this now, I can see I am going to have to trim a little bit off the bottom so that I can put the base on. My video stopped recording, so we are missing the joining. I appreciate that this is a vital part, so I will try to talk you through it. The idea is to catch the loop on the start, then stitch through the reef knot on the matching end pair, back to catch the next loop on the start, etc. Continue with this whip stitch, tucking the pair ends inside through the felt gap until the corner is secure. We then secure the sewing thread and turn the basket inside out. Trim the thread ends so that they are hidden inside the felt gap. Turn the basket right side out. Sew on the base using the same whip stitch. As it is 2 straight foot sides, it is easy to use the pin area to make sure it is all lined up. Stitch the handle lace to the handle felt before attaching it to the inside of the basket with the lace side outwards. Lastly, slip the base felt into the basket and it is ready to use. Thank you for watching.